A couple months ago, I posted a video with this transition in it, and it actually got a lot of questions as to how I did it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how.
Try to catch it with my Try to catch it with my Try to catch it with my
Alright, so we're here in our editing software, and for me it is Final Cut Pro, but I believe you could transfer this knowledge onto Premiere, and what other software you got. So here in our timeline we got the 2 shots that I used in that sequence, and what you do is you just pick out where you wanna, I think this is like right here is where I did the fade. And so you bring this clip, the one you're transferring to, and you just drag it on top. Yeah, and so what you do then is you choose where you want the transition to end and cut it, so right here, boom. And it's actually really simple. So what you do next is you go into your effects tab, go down to keying, go to luma keyer, and just bring that on top of the first clip you want. And see, that already makes it really weird. And then what you do next is you take this bottom tab, slide all the way to the right, go to the beginning of the clip, click keyframe, drag the timestamp or whatever you want to call it to the end, and just drag both of these over to that side. So now what you got is this. Boom. And like, that is super simple. It looks really good. A lot of major travel filmers do this, and yeah, so that's pretty much how you do it. If you liked this video, thought this was really helpful, it would help a lot if you could share it with a friend that would also might need it. Like, comment. Commenting always helps, and subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you next time. See you tomorrow, actually.
Catch it with my Catch it with my Sometimes fast and sometimes slow. They are falling to the ground.